Today we talk about how can you create new PDF on your MobiOffice app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here, you go or you just go above PDF here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Here can you scan to PDF here, or can you convert to PDF, and here fill and sign here. So when you just click on it, just click here on scan to PDF here, then you have to install scan with PDF, then it's going to add with you on your app. So in there can you convert PDF here, it's going to take you to this list. You have to get premium here in first, then it's going to add with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.